Hello everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you the steps to maintaining your mini bike's health. This series is going to be directed towards the Coleman Ct200u series. Now this could be any of the bikes, not the BTs, but the Ct200u, TAC A, TAC B, TAC EX, and just rig. Here are the tools I recommend for keeping your mini bike nice and healthy. First of all, we have a pair of gloves, sockets, socket wrench, flathead screwdriver, scrubs in a bucket, some nice paper towels made for grease, Fast Orange, TW40, and some premium heavy grease. First, we will start off with looking for spots with a lot of dirt and buildup. This has a lot of debris and is unhealthy for the bike, as it can go into the parts and ruin its performance. We will start off with our paper towels. We will make sure to wipe down any parts of dirt that is built up. Next, we will use the wipes to wipe off any buildups of oil or dirt. These wipes specialize in picking up oil and scrubbing it off from the surface. Next, we will locate the engine oil cap. This should be a gray part with a black seal under it. We're going to start by unscrewing this cap. Once unscrewed, check to see if the oil is right at the edge. This means that you have a good amount of oil in your engine. If you cannot locate the oil and it looks like it is far into the engine, this means you are missing a lot of oil. If you check it and it starts gushing out once unscrewed, that means you are on an unsteady surface or you have added way too much. Next, use the swab to check the oil. If your oil is a nice light color, this means your oil is fresh and still good. If your oil is very dark, thick, and liquidy, you are going to need to replace it. Screw your cap back in. Next, we are going to be lubricating the clutch and the drive chain. You are going to unclip all of these. Once unclipped, make sure you take the pins and put them in a safe location. Next, you are going to remove this. When this is opened, you're going to check for any kinks or unbending pieces. Careful, this may be hot. If you find any that seem to be stuck together or not moving, you are going to apply some heavy grease. You can just take a little bit on your finger. That's actually a lot, but doesn't really matter. And you're going to just apply it to the spot that has it. This will help lubricate and make sure this drives at its fastest speeds. Next, we will lubricate the clutch. Pour a little of your motor oil into the cap. Once in the cap, we're going to dip our finger and make sure that there are several droplets on it. We are going to bring it down to the clutch and apply it right here. We do not put it in the holes, as this is where the air comes out. We apply it right under the chain, on the sprocket, and in between by the bolts. Once lubricated, we are going to put the case back onto the bike. Next, we will use our socket wrench to tighten any and all screws that seem to be loose. Mine do not have any, so I won't be tightening this time. Make sure to be safe and ride on.